okumyewo leero ku poliisi?
Anti batugambye tukomewo leero.
Kati mumaliriza mutya?
Tetunaaba. Tugenda bimaliza nkya.
Lwaki teriwadde leero?
Anti omukazi alina fayiro zaffe taliiwo. Kati agenda beera wano enkya.
Vyroota azze?
Yazze.
Azze n'ani?
Azze ne maneja we ne gundi wa Lugembe. Ne maama we abaddeyo.
So temumali oyogeddeko ne maama we?
Saayogedde ne maama we.
So kati condition eriwo oyogeddeko nabo olaba nga ogenda kukontinuinga ne keesi oba ogenda kutuuka ku
Anti ngenda kontinuinga ne keesi. Fayiro erina genda mu maaso. Sigenda baleka. Anti kati tewali naye kyenjagala fayiro erina genda mu maaso. Kyokka kyenjagala.
Lwaki oyagala egende mu maaso? Lwaki tomusonyiwa n'obivaako?
Anti nze sisobola musonyiwa. Kyakoze si kintu kirungi.
Atayagalako ssente?
Saagala ssente. Saagala ebintu bya gundi bya Vyroota yonna oba ssente oba ki siyagala. Just kyenjagala alina genda mu kooti.
Ate bagenda mu kooti bajja ki kyennyini kyoyagala? Toyagala ssente?
Alina genda ku prison.
Alina genda mu prison? Yokuteeka gy'olabawo?
Alina genda mu komera. Option zokka zonna.
Oyogeddeko naye leero?
Siyogedde naye.
Naye nga ye omulabyeko?
Nze simulaba abadde mu mmotoka naye nze simulabye. Bazze basatu mu mmotoka. Then ne maama wa Vyroota naye abaddeyo. Ne anti we Jenny babaddeyo naye.
Kati oyogeddeko ne anti we oba maama we kubagamba nti omusango ogwesonyiwa?
Kati lwaki? Nze saagala na kuyogera ne maama we naawe. I can't talk to the mom. Like I got nothing to tell the mom. That's all.
Why don't you forgive Vyroota?
I can't forgive her. That's all. They think maybe I need something from them or they are too special. They are not special. For real. And the only thing I need, I have to continue with my case.
So what have the police guys told you that you continue with the case?
I told them I'm going to continue with the case. Yeah, they told me it's fine. They are going to forward the file. That's all. Yeah.
You don't want anything from Vyroota?
I don't need anything. Yes, I need them to go to the court. That's the only thing I need. I need nothing.
Tomorrow when you come back and the ladies around that you're supposed to maybe close the case, are you willing?
I can't close. I'm not willing.
Where are you going to go from Vyroota? Why are you being hard on Vyroota?
Am I being what?
Why are you being rough?
Auntie, that's how people in this world, you don't need to, like when someone takes you in this way, you don't need to take that person like the way he takes me is the way I'm taking him. So I'm not rough. He's the one who's rough on me. So
you're not going back to the agreement?
I don't need any arguments right now. I don't need. The only thing he has to go to the court.
If he's willing to do what's in the agreement?
I don't want. I gave them good time for the argument, like they should think about it, but now the time has gone and I don't want the argument. So the only thing I have for them is to go to the court. That's all.
If they are willing to give you the amount you're asking for, why if you ask for any amount?
I don't need any money. I don't need any amount of money. Just no, I need nothing. I need nothing. That's it.
Any message to Vyroota from here?
The only message I can tell him, let him just get prepared to go and stay in prison. Get ready to join your people in prison. That's all.
But he's your boyfriend. Now who takes
It's
your
not my
boyfriend to
boyfriend.
prison?
It's my ex-boyfriend.
You know your boyfriend.
Yeah, he's an ex. Yeah,
So that's what you want to do to your ex,
yeah,
taking him to prison.
yeah. That's all. Let him get ready to go and join his people in prison, and I think he'll come back. He'll come back after some years.
So to know the abantu abamwagala abafaanyi, he has a show, he has performed somewhere.
That is their problem. They have their own problems, and we have my own problems. So I don't care about him having a show, him being what, a celebrity. Nothing. I care nothing there.
Aren't you having any complications health-wise?
I have.
What do you have?
I have many things, many complications. That's why, because such a guy, he can't even give you any money for treatment. He can't take you to the hospital. He knows this and this. No, he can't do such. So I need nothing from them. I can get money for myself, like to treat myself, and also like as we are continuing with that case, I'll also get money to treat myself. Yeah,
Things of course require a lot of money to follow up. Where are you going to be getting this money?
I know.
Are your parents willing
Yeah,
to join you in
they
this?
already know.
Your parents,
Yeah.
you inform them.
They told them, I didn't inform, they just told them. That's why my parents knows everything that's going on. Because even my sister called me today and my mom called me this morning. And yeah, they know everything and shortly my dad would join us. Would join me for this.
So what have your parents told you? You are very advised you to forgive Vyroota all they have known.
No. My dad said like he's coming back he's coming this side to take that, like to continue with that case. That guy has to go to prison. That's what my dad said, and he's coming.
Meaning you're not doing this out of your will, it's your
Yeah,
parents
yeah.
forcing you.
They are not forcing me. We are doing it together.
Amanyako.
Sharon obeera wa? Saabala. Olina buzibu ki ne Vyroota?
We have some case in police, like it's abortion case. Yeah, they're trying abortion.
Abortion, ng'ani akola abortion?
Auntie Viro is the one. Viro is the one who did that. Like, he gave me those abortion pills to remove the baby when I didn't know. Yeah, and my
How,
baby.
how did you end up aborting?
Now Auntie Viro gave me abortion pills. I didn't know. Yeah, so he told me to take them, and he told me like it's for this and this. He didn't tell me like it's for abortion, for abortion.
So gwe wali oyagala kuzaala mwana?
I wanted to be with a baby because, you know, even though you get something by mistake, okay, let's say that pregnancy was by mistake. It's not like when you get something by mistake, you have to remove it. No. I was ready to keep it, and he told me, akyali muto tasobola taata iki
Nego gwe
nze namugamba nti nze nsobola kambeere n'omwana wange agaana kati later he gave me abortion pills and removed the baby, and also like it almost took my life.
So that's the reason as to why wamutwala ku police.
That's the reason I had to take him to police, because you can't remove my baby without my permission.
How did you guys meet? Mujja mutya okusinkana okubeera nga gwe oli girlfriend wa Vyroota nga weeyita?
We just met like things, internet friends. After there, we could talk. Then later, we met physically, face to face.
For how long have you guys been dating before this whole saga?
Not dating, actually. Things of dating we started, I think, this December. But before we were just friends.
So you ended up going to Vyroota's place?
Yeah, I ended up going to his place, and all these things had to happen.
How old are you? Are you a teenager or is
18 years.
You're 18 years?
Yeah.
You're sure you're 18 years?
Yeah, I'm sure. 100%.
Meaning you're an adult?
You are
I think.
to drop out or
No, I'm not school dropout. I'm a student.
A student of which class?
Let's finish.
So kati ebyokusoma wabireseewo just because of the abortion?
Yeah, that's it. Like now, the guy has spoiled my future already.
How? Can't you go back to school? Because now you don't have the pregnancy.
That's for my future. Right now, I'm on news everywhere. People know that I did abortion, what you know.
But you're the one who came in the news.
People interviewed me, of course. They asked me to interview.
What are your parents talking about this case? Are they willing to go on with the case? Or?
Yeah, they're going to come to help.
Tebagala omusango ogugyewo.
And also, anyone who would like to help me, I also feel that I need someone to help.
Like which type of help do you want?
Yeah, to come to support me, like with my case. For people who see that thing is really bad, they can help.
Why are you not willing to forgive Vyroota?
I can't forgive. Auntie, you remove my baby without permission.
Lwaki tomusonyiwa
That's
kubanga
like, maybe like he wanted to kill me. That's the only thing.
Vyroota alina abafaani bangi, alina shows alina performingako, bw'abeera mu zino ensonga kimukosa, lwaki tomuleka?
After him finishing all these things, Nera, even though he's to go to prison, still he will come back and sing for his fans.
Why don't you sit on a round table and sort these issues?
Anyway, I can sit with him on table and sort it, but he has to come to me.
And that's what you were doing at the police station. That's what you're supposed to do.
but you communicate.
We don't communicate.
Lwaki temwogera?
Yes, I don't think we have something in common.
Ye oli bbaawo boyfriend wo
I
gwe
don't think maybe not. We have a police case. I don't think there's a reason I need to talk to. Yes, we can only meet at police station.
In the first place, you were insisting to go with the case to court. You're not willing to settle.
Yeah, that's all. And that's what I'm going to do.
Some people were saying, Mobodina, some people who are behind you are pushing you to
No
do all
one is
this.
behind me. I'm doing this thing alone. No one is behind me.
How are you going to benefit out of this?
I'll benefit by him going to the prison.
And the message you would like to send to Vyroota, maybe if at all right now is watching the interview, what do you want him to do?
Let him just now never forgive him.
You're going to continue with that case? Even if he's willing to give you all the sums of money you would ask
No,
for?
I don't want anyone's money. I don't want to use people's money. I can also get my money for myself.
Okay, Sharon, today you came back at the police station. Lwaki okomyewo? Police amuko Luganda.
This is not coming.
Kati wamukomyewo babagambye ki? You stand still.
The lady with our file is not there.
So
But
Vyroota,
you
ye Vyroota azze ani yena?
Vyroota, the manager, Amza, ne mama we.
Kulabeko ng'oyogera ne maama we mbadde mwogera ki?
Ne mama we.
Gwe olowooza lwaki bagambye mukomewo enkya?
Anti nze simanyi. Nze simanyi pulaani oba wali ku pulaani ki. Kirabika balina pulaani naye nze simanyi.
Bwe bakomawo enkya mugenda kukola ekyali mu agreement gye mwali mwakaanyako?
Anti nze kati sagala agreement. Like I want them to be taken to court. That's the only thing I want.
You don't want to go with the agreement
I don't
anymore?
want the agreement.
So what do you want?
Just for for them to go to the court. So catch in the
Okay. So,
if at all they are willing to give you money,
I don't
gweyagala
need
ge-
any money, Saga was saying.
gweyagala batwala mu kooti. Ofa ki lwaki tomusonyiwa Vyroota n'omuleka?
So I'm sorry.
Lwaki tosobola musonyiwa?
Anti kyakoze si kirungi.
Gwe obulamu bwo buli butya? Health wise, how are you feeling?
And like sleep fine. I be there like how people see me there. Maybe they can listen me like I'm fine. Sleep fine.
Your parents bazadde bo bataddemu okujja oba tebabiriimu?
Tata wange yagenda okujja.
Kati ye taata wakugamba kyakugamba you go on with that case oba akugamba omuntu omusonyiwa?
Yangambye I go on with that case.
Ate bwe baba bagenda kukuwa ssente zoyagala z'osaba zonna?
Saagala ssente. Tebamanya ne saagala ssente.
nze Saale Wamboyo. Kati nze, for the starters, what was in agreement? The one you made.
Your train private. Cutting that one is private. It is so like tell you guys I can't tell. It was something private. That's why I can't tell it.